Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going in for part 2 of these lovely cringeworthy nails that I'm going to show you today. And so far where we left off, I was testing out TikTok viral hacks that people were doing on nails, or like 1, 2, 3 go nails. So right here, as you see, I'm adhering I did adhere the gel, but unfortunately I was trying to peel off that the tip off, because I saw this also on Young Nails channel, and he was able to do it, and he popped the gel tip off, and when I tried to pull it off, it basically didn't work out for me in that way. So there's me struggling with that nail, and that's the white nail I'm gonna do a coffin shape with. So off camera, what I did was I took the tip off anyway, and as you see here, I am making up some more of that mixture of the white poly gel along with the hard gel that I have, and I'm just like really quickly mixing that up, and I'm gonna spatula that bad boy on to the nail to kind of finish the extension and just level it, and also build the apex and all of that. Now, like I said before, I'm not as you could see here, I am not a nail tech. I'm not trying to be a nail tech. Excuse me, I wasn't trying to be a nail tech. When I started doing nails, I did them mostly on my own, because I wanted certain designs and everything like that without asking anybody, without shelling out money every 2 weeks. I was just like kind of on the thing where it's like, you know what? I think I could do that myself. So I bought a practice hand to really kind of do just that, practice. And as you see, that's a wonky nail, okay? But I cure it anyway. Oh my goodness, I cure that anyway. So of course I'm gonna file this nail, try to file it flush or not. I guess because that big old dent right there, I had to float on some more gel just to kind of make it a little bit even. So, and that's what as you see there, that's what I'm doing there. So that's what I do there, and I'm probably going to cure that and then file. So I will be back to let you guys know what the next step is. So stay tuned. Okay, so right here I'm going in and I'm filing. And as I was filing, I was trying to file, and the whole thing came off again. I was not I was not having luck with these nails, so I was like, you know what? I give up on this. I will know next time. Put some protein bond on there to hold these nails together, because this was crazy. So what I ended up doing, I just wiped off that nail. I wiped off the excess gel, because apparently, I guess the white background of the nail, I don't know, it didn't cure with the poly gel fully. So just had to keep that in mind. So I was just like, you know what, whatever. I'm going to file all the excess stuff off camera. As you see here, I have it collect in my dust collector. Just redefining the shape and also just filing the nail. But what I like about gel nails and poly gel nails, anything that involves gel, it's a very easy file. You don't need a really aggressive e-file with this or anything like that. You could basically hand file it if you need to. They are very easy to file down versus acrylic. Acrylic is a little bit more tough. But what I find with poly gels as well as hard gels, they're very easy to file, and I think it's also a self-leveling factor as well. So in there you see me filing shaping and everything, and I'm just wiping that excess goopy gel off the nail. And I think I'm just gonna go in with some nail glue and glue that bad boy back on that nail like it's a press on, which is sad. But there I go with the shape, and I just, you know, glue it and then continue with shaping my nail. So there you see me there. I'm gonna take that glue and pop it on there, and then you'll see me try to attempt to glue the nail, which is, that's what I did, because at this point it was getting really late. I think at this point it was like close to pushing about 12 a.m. I was extremely exhausted, and I was extremely frustrated because I was just like, you know what, I wanted to use this as a practice. I wanted to film and just, you know, show my progression. And as you see, I'm still gonna file some more because I have some spots there. Or not. Yeah, I gave up, guys. I definitely gave up. I was like, you know what? I think I'm putting build gel on there just to kind of really level it more and just build up some more strength. So that's what I did. And I'm going to go ahead and cure that, and I'll be right back. So here we have the different shapes of the nails. I did a short coffin slash ballerina nail. I did a stiletto, and I don't even think I would call that a stiletto. I think it's just a really tapered almond. But I mostly like tapered almond, stiletto, and ballerina shapes. So now we got to work on our pinky. So attempt number 4. My God, this is like a nightmare. This whole hand, it took me like 3 hours. I'm not gonna lie. 3 hours. 3 hours. I started at 9 p.m. I didn't think it would be this hard. It shouldn't be this hard. But I don't regret it. I know in future what to do. I know, like, me just touching that nail there, put mad oil there. So more than likely, if I put gel on that, it's the gel's gonna fall off too, but we'll see. Let's see. So I attempt this again. I'm like, you know what, this time I kind of want a different nail. I want like a light baby pink nail. We're gonna mix the two poly gels, the pink and the white, along with the hard gel. And this time I'm attempting once again the same thing. I'm putting it in the tip, and I'm gonna adhere the tip to the nail, and we're gonna wish for the best. So let's watch that process again. And if you guys are here, thank you so much for supporting my channel and bearing with me with this cringeworthy stuff. I do this for you guys, but more so I do it for myself to kind of, you know, get better and better at what I like, and which is nails. So I did the same thing with makeup. I just never filmed it. So, hey, you got to start from somewhere. But, you know, as you see now, I'm putting all that stuff in the nail. And I'm going to adhere that polygel mixture onto my nail. So, here I go. Okay, so I'm straightening up. I cured this, and is this gonna happen for me? Is it? Yes, this is what I was trying to do. This is what I was trying to do. This is what I was trying to do. I wanted to do this. I just wanted to add the extension. I'm going to try it out on my own nails and see how it works. I'm quite sure it's going to work a lot better, but this is exactly what I wanted to do. I wanted to just put the tip on, cure the nail, and it come out perfect. And it did. It did. The first time it came out good. Now, am I making it wonky? Am I making it horrible? Maybe, because I'm adding entirely way too much product to a pinky nail. But I wanted to build the apex. Let's be real. I wanted to get this over with. I wanted to add this product, load that bad boy on there. You cannot do this, guys, with gel. I repeat, I should make this video. The reason why I posted this video, guys, and I'm gonna link to part 1 that I already have up on my channel. Reason why I posted this is because these are all things that you should not do for some gel nails. All things you should not do. Yes, will it work in the end run? Yeah. But it's not steps that you should do. What happens is, like I said, you're going to be working at these nails for like 3+ hours, which that's entirely too long to be working on your own nails. Okay? Even if you have like, if you want to go into actually doing nail tech, don't follow this channel for that. I'm not trying to teach anybody to do nails. I'm just showing my journey and process of how I do my nails. But yeah, so you know, I am learning like everybody else. But hey, so I was just like, you know what? Let me just pile that gel up on there. At this point, I was just like, honestly, whatever it is, I'm gonna file it anyway. So that's reason what I did. So I just piled that gel on the pinky nail and cured it, and it is wonky AF. Look at that. That looks horrible. So I was just like, you know, for this one, I was like, you know what? I'm gonna try to do a tapered square. You see the side there? That product is so much built up right there. I would not want to give these nails to anyone. But we're here now. So once again, going over the shape. This hand was a struggle as well, as you can see, but I was holding on and trying to get it together, okay? And and I was like, you know what, whatever. In real life, nobody's fingers is gonna fall off like that. I mean, I hope not. So I was just like, you know what, I'm gonna try to do this tapered square, because I'm gonna do the tapered square on these nails, and I'm gonna see how it works, see how it comes out. So that's what I did. So with the tapered square, you want to kind of come in with the file, but you don't want to come in too much, because then you will end up doing a coffin nail. You'll end up doing a ballerina nail, and that's not what you want. You kind of, in a sense, want to do a coffin, but a little bit more thick, and that's what we call like a tapered square. So I was just like, you know what, everything is popping off. I'm like, I just want to finish this. I want decent nails, because I want to also film a design and try to do a design on these nails, which is the fun part anyway. The structure part is like the boring part. The structure, the filing, all this stuff right here is the boring part. But I finished. I think it came out pretty good. Like, this is the tapered nail look right here. This is the final look for the dummy hand. And I think I did a pretty decent job in filing. Not application, none of that. But thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell. I appreciate all of my subscribers, my new subscribers, and follow my social media. Thank you, and goodbye.